Well, as the title of the video says, yeah, we're working on the Dodge again. Can you imagine that? I know it's rare to work on this Dodge, but we got to, I noticed something was wrong with it yesterday. You can tell where we are. We're down here in Arizona. Some people are still flying their Trump flags. But anyway, what we're going to do, let me show you what we're using for, going to be using here. Those are the instruments of repair we will use. Once I get under there, I'm going to, if I can get this camera up in my hand, hang on, there we go. Okay, once we get under there, I'm going to use the GoPro to try to film what I'm repairing. But these are, I think, all the tools I need. I'm going to show you how to sturdy up your wire, because I don't know if I'll need wire under there, but I'm going to make a little piece just in case, because I don't want this to happen again. What has happened, you can see the exhaust pipe here. It's come off of the hanger. I don't know why. I just noticed that yesterday. And so Vicky's going to come out here and she's going to film me doing this, I think, aren't you? Here she comes. She's sneaking around behind me because she don't want to be on video. There she's sneaking. She's sneaking. All right. Well, let's see what we can do about fixing that. I'm going to have her do the shot, and I'm going to show you how to make that wire right now. I thought she was filming me. I've been yakking away. Okay, now she's filming me. All right, guys, you can see this. This is only good for like 10 pounds. It's all I could find, this wire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some of this wire, which I already have, and I'm going to show you how to double it up and make it really strong. I got a good 5 feet out there. Let's make it 6. Now what I'm going to do, down here, over this way a little bit. There you go. Try not to get that in the picture. You just get this. I'm going to cut it right here. Now then, I'm going to take this, and you can see what I'm doing, huh? Can you even see in the camera?
Yes.
It's kind of bright out. I'm going to take it, and I'm going to double the wire. So if you double it, well, this is good for 10 pounds. If you double it, probably this is going to be good for, I'd say, 25, because it'll give you a little more than twice as much. So we're going to double it like that, okay? Now we got 25 and we got this much. We don't need that much. So what I'm going to do is we're going to double it again. That will give me plenty of strength. But look at that. That'd be kind of a mess under there, wouldn't it? That would be a mess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this handle right here just to hold this, keep it separated. You'll move this out of the way, that out of the way. Now then, I'm going to take this part right here, twist it a little bit like so. Then I'm going to take this drill, and I'm going to stick this in the drill bit. Get it tight on there, if I can. There we go. Now then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this and I'm going to slowly wrap that. You see what I'm doing? That is all lacing together nicely. That is going to be, that'll be strong, very strong. Then I just take it and undo it. Now that won't break. I don't know how much that would hold, but I bet I could pull the truck with it. Anyway, well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to crawl under there right now, and I'm going to turn on the GoPro, take my tools down there, and we'll see what I can do down there. You can cut it here. Well, am I recording this? Man, it's hard to see. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, we're recording. So, yep, I got the tools down there. I got the GoPro laying right there. I'm going to see if I can put it someplace so we can get a good picture. But right now, what Vicky's got to do, and you can walk over here, Vicky. She's got to hold that pipe up. This is going to be her job out here, like so. And then I'll be able to put that together, hopefully. So let's give that a try. You know how hard how easy that is. Okay, guys, there we go. Let's see, right there, you can see the rubber thing right there. And that thing and that thing is not together. So that's what I'm going to do, is try to put that together. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it just slid out. You can see that moving. That's got to go up in that hole right there. And then that's got to slide back. So I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant on that and make it slide better. Then I'm going to knock it back in there and then maybe tie it up with the wire. I don't know. If I don't need the wire, I won't use it. But that's what I'm going to try to do. Let's see if we can get this setting somewhere I can see. Ouch! Can I see anything? Oh, it went off. The screen went off. Okay. Let's see.
Here, I can put it up there.
I don't know if we can see anything. We're just going to let that run. If I can see it, I can see it when we do it. If we can't, we can't. I'm going to squirt a little of this on it. Then, now Vicky, if you want to lift up on that. Alrighty. Wow. Okay, let down a bit. There we go. Now then, yeah, right there. Okay, if you can hold it right there. That's loud on the old camera. Alrighty. Wow, that ain't okay. Oh, okay. Let her down just a little. Oh, not that much. Just right there. Hell, the hell. I don't want to go on there too good. Well, we got to figure out a way to get that pulled in there. Okay. All right, you're gonna have to hand me that. How you can let go? That ain't going in there for some reason. It's sliding there.
Do I have to hand you what?
I might have you hand me something. Maybe. I can't get this to slide over there like it's supposed to. Might have to have you hand me the strap. Couldn't have been so easy just like sliding it over. It just couldn't be that flippin' easy, huh? Let's see if I can put that there. And then hook this on here. Alrighty. I think that's working, by golly. Hard to see. Very hard to see. Let's see if I can tap that and help it along. Well, that ain't working. We're going to try to do the strap, and then we're going to try beating on it a little bit. But you can see what we're trying to do, and I don't know how we're going to do it, so I'll tell you once we get her done. No need to film it. Can't got it figured out yet. Well, you can see it now because I had to take the spare tire down to get to it. Once I did, I just grabbed it and it slid right over. But the problem is that should be even with those. And that's sitting back, as you can see, quite a ways further. So I've got to figure out, I don't have a torch or anything here, so I can't bend that. I don't know if it's even ever been bent. I had this little heat shield on here to keep the heat off of my exhaust pipe. That's what this was for. I don't have the same monster tire under here as I used to, so I don't really need it. But I don't really have the stuff to take everything off with. I guess I could grind it off, but I don't know if I want to go to that problem right now. What I got to do is figure out how to keep that in that spot there. So that's my next problem, and I'll video that when I figure it out. Okay guys, this is what we've done. Remember the wire I made? Well, you guys built fence before, know if you put something in there and twist it, it tightens that wire up. Well, it tightened it up, and pull this part back on to this part enough, you can see the nipple of it right there. It's sticking through there. This will hold it until I get back to my house with my brand new shop. Then I'm going to take a torch, heat this up, and then put it back in there. But that'll hold it going down the road. It ain't going nowhere. This is all rubber mounted. It's not gonna. This is not gonna affect anything except for just keep that from sliding back out, because it can't slide through because that wire is holding it there. So now all I got to do is get the little woman on the crank, and we'll put the tire back up in here, and we're going to call this a done project. As Mr. G would say, huh? Okay. I know yeah, there she is. She don't want to. Oh, and I cut off the shield. I got cut one time with it, and that was enough. So it's gone. When I get home, I'll take it off properly. But for right now, that'll work. Kept me from getting cut. Us old people cut easy. Hey, you guys know what to do. Subscribe. You'll see more of me working on this Dodge. I'll guarantee it. Adios.